croeso I Dysgu Cymraeg gyda Teulu, Miss Worth yma. Y dyddiad heddiw yw dydd Mercher, 6 Mai. Heddiw, dyn ni'n dysgu shwd wyt ti? Good morning everyone, Miss Worth here. Today's date is Wednesday the 6th of May, and today we are going to be learning how are you? Shwd wyt ti? In the foundation phase, we start by teaching the children shwd wyt ti. You may have also heard this as sut wyt ti. The one is North Wales and the one is South Wales, and in Crinder we use shwd wyt ti. So in nursery they will start to learn shwd wyt ti, how are you? To start with, children can respond with just one word, like hapus, happy, or trist, sad. As they move up through the foundation phase, they will be expected to say dwi'n hapus, I am happy, or dwi'n trist. And then as they reach year 2, they need to start thinking of more exciting words such as ofnadwy, bendigedig. Now I'm going to read you a story called Shwd wyt ti, and you may recognise some of the characters. We have Benny, Bunny, Teddy and Dolly. Edrychwch ar y llawr. Look at the cover. Pwy sydd ar y llawr? Who is on the cover? Dyma'r Dolly, Teddy a Benny. Darllenwch y teitl gyda fi. Read the title with me. Shwd wyt ti? Trewch y tudalen. Tudalen 1, page 1. Darllenwch gyda fi. Read with me. Shwd wyt ti? Trewch y tudalen eto. Tudalen 2, page 2. Darllenwch gyda fi. Read with me. Wedi blino. Oh, Dolly is tired. Trewch y tudalen. Tudalen 3. Darllenwch gyda fi. Shwd wyt ti? Trewch y tudalen. Tudalen 4. Darllenwch gyda fi. Ofnadwy. Oh, Teddy feels terrible. Trewch y tudalen. Tudalen 5. Shwd wyt ti? Trewch y tudalen. Tudalen 6. O, dyma Benny. Darllenwch gyda fi. Bendigedig. Oh, Teddy feels fantastic. Trewch y tudalen. Tudalen 7. Pwy sy'n yn y llun? Who is in the picture? Dyma Dolly. Dyma'r Teddy. Dyma'r Benny Bunny. And they are saying, darllenwch gyda fi, shwd ydych chi? How are you? Can you remember? How was Dolly feeling? Oh, Dolly wedi blino. Dolly was tired. How was Teddy feeling? Oh, Teddy ofnadwy. Teddy was feeling terrible. How was Benny Bunny feeling? Benny Bunny was feeling fantastic. Bendigedig. Y diwedd. The end. Wyt ti'n hoffi y stori? Did you like the story? In a minute we're going to read another story. And this story uses the phrase beth sy'n bod, which means what is wrong. So once you've asked the question, shwd wyt ti? How are you? If someone says, oh, ofnadwy, you could say, pam, Beth sy'n bod? Why? What's wrong? Let's have a read of the story and find out some of the things that might be wrong if you're not feeling too good. Barod? Edrychwch ar y llawr. Look at the cover. Oh, pwy sy'n ar y llawr? Dyma Teddy. Dyma Benny Bunny. Dyma Dolly. Oh, darllenwch y teitl gyda fi. Beth sy'n bod? What is wrong? Trewch y tudalen 1. Turn the page, page 1. Darllenwch gyda fi. Read with me. Beth sy'n bod Benny Bunny? Trewch y tudalen 2. Pwy sy'n yn y llun? O, dyma Benny Bunny. Beth sy'n bod? Darllenwch gyda fi. Read with me. Mae pen tost da fi. Oh, what's wrong with Benny Bunny? He's got a bad headache. Oh, poor Benny Bunny. Trewch y tudalen. Tudalen 3. Dyma Dolly. Darllenwch gyda fi. Beth sy'n bod? Dolly? What's the matter? What's wrong, Dolly? I wonder. Beth sy'n bod? Trewch y tudalen 4. Darllenwch gyda fi. Mae bola tost da fi. Dolly has a bad tummy. Poor Dolly. Trewch y tudalen 5. Dyma'r Teddy. Darllenwch gyda fi. Beth sy'n bod Teddy? Beth sy'n bod? What's wrong with Teddy? Trewch y tudalen 6. Oh, mae coes dos da fi. Oh, poor Teddy. He's got a bad leg. Oh, poor Teddy. Trewch y tudalen eto. Turn the page again. Tudalen 7. Dyma'r Benny Bunny, Dolly a'r Teddy. Beth sy'n bod Benny Bunny, Dolly a'r Teddy? Can you remember what was wrong with Benny Bunny, Dolly and Teddy? Oh, Benny Bunny yn pen tost. Dolly bola tost. A Teddy coes dost. Beth sy'n bod Benny Bunny, Dolly a'r Teddy? Dim byd. Hooray! Nothing. They're all better. Hooray! Y diwedd. Wyt ti'n hoffi y stori? Dwi'n hoffi y stori achos I like the story because I loved it right at the end when dim byd, there was nothing wrong. So to recap, in the foundation phase, we start off with should I ti, which they can answer with one word, hapus ofnadwy, bendigedig, trist, or say dwi'n hapus, dwi'n trist, I am. Also, beth sy'n bod, what is. You could set up your own ysbyty teganau, a hospital for your toys. When they come to your hospital or your doctor's surgery, a meddyg, you could say, beth sy'n bod? And you could get the toys to answer by telling you what's wrong. And then maybe you could try and make them feel much better. In Key Stage 2, we extend should I ti to should I ti yn teimlo. How are you feeling? So if you said to someone, should I ti yn teimlo? And they said, oh, dwi'n ofnadwy, you could say, pam? And they could extend with an answer, achos. Dwi'n ofnadwy. Achos mae pen dost da fi. I am terrible because I've got a bad headache. As always, in Key Stage 2, you can also extend by using the past tense. You could say, should oedd ti yn teimlo? How were you feeling? And you could also extend this into the third person by saying, should oedd Dafydd? How was David? Should oedd Dafydd? Then you would answer by saying, roedd Dafydd yn ofnadwy. Roedd Dafydd yn hapus. Achos mae Dafydd yn hoffi bwytais chocolate. So David was happy because he ate chocolate. Or he likes eating chocolate. With the third person, don't forget our he and she, and he. So you could ask, should oedd he? Should oedd How is she? How is he? You can answer this again by using the phrase roedd e'n hapus, roedd hi'n hapus. He was happy, she was happy. This week, I would like you to email your teacher and use as many phrases as you can from the placemats that are in the Google Classroom resources. Try and use the past tense and try and tell us about a friend or a family member as well. Next, there's going to be some more familiar faces, as I know you missed them last week. And next time, we will be learning colours. Lliwiau. Hwyl fawr.
Should I ti plant? Dwi'n hapus achos mae'n heulog heddiw.
Bore da bawb, shut I ti? I'm missing you all, can't wait to see you all soon. I'm looking forward to seeing all your posts on Twitter. Bye for now. Diolch.
Should I ti, Ioan? Oh, really? Dwi'n wedi blino, ond dwi'n hapus.